Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar, I still think this is going to turn into an uptrend. I still believe it's eventually going to go up and finish off the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Most likely, eventually take out these highs and end up looking something along these lines. I still think there's a good chance it is part of a correction to the downtrend. So, eventually, it probably will end up continuing back down. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we have a running flat wave 2. I believe this first push up is a 1. It looks like we may already have a complete wave 2, and it looks like it should be going up now for a wave 3 to make that pattern like I was showing on the monthly. I think this is the major wave 1. I think we have a running flat wave 2, and I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. So like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it made a big impulsive move down. Now, if this right here really is an ABCDE, which it definitely looks like it is, I mean, this move up right here does look like three waves up, but I think looking at all correlated pairs, there probably is a pretty good chance that the trend is going to continue to go up. There's a pretty good chance that this is a 1, this is a 2, and that this is going to go up for a wave 3 and continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. I mean, this is clearly a trend right here. It is definitely higher highs, higher lows. I think this impulsive move down is a wave A. I still think this looks like a wave B. This move down definitely does look like a wave C, and it is definitely making a pretty aggressive move to the upside at the 50%. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. I mean, if this does make a big bullish engulfing move to the upside, I would for sure start looking for longs because I do think there's a pretty good chance this is a 1, this is a 2, and it's going to go up for a big wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where you can kind of break this down a little bit to see the trend for the wave A. I think this is an ABC of wave B, and it does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3. So I wouldn't be surprised if it actually did try to go down a little bit more. But like I said, if it does start to make a really aggressive impulsive move to the upside, then I would definitely, especially on shorter time frames, start looking for longs because I do think the trend is up on all the higher time frames until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. I am definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.